Imagine waking up to a soft sunrise over the mountains. You open your eyes, stretch your arms, and realize you're not in a hotel. You're inside your own luxury suite on wheels. Fresh coffee brewing just a few feet away, warm floor heating beneath your feet, and behind you, a bathroom that feels more like a spa than an RV. Welcome to the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Rapido 996M, a motorhome that doesn't just move you from place to place. It transforms the way you experience travel. In today's video, we're taking you inside one of the most elegant and intelligently designed luxury RVs in the world. From its stunning bathroom layout to its high-end European craftsmanship, the Rapido 996M is proof that Mercedes-Benz knows how to turn mobility into pure comfort. This isn't just a camper, it's a lifestyle. So buckle up, grab a cup of coffee, and let's step inside the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Rapido 996M luxury motorhome, where design, technology, and comfort meet the open road. At first glance, the Rapido 996M stands tall and proud, built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, known for its reliability and performance. The sleek European styling gives it a timeless luxury appeal, with clean body lines and aerodynamic contours that not only look good but also help improve fuel efficiency. The front grille proudly carries a Mercedes star, symbolizing quality and prestige. LED headlamps with dynamic indicators give the RV a modern and confident face, while a large panoramic windshield opens up stunning views of every journey. You've got full-length electric awnings for shaded outdoor lounging, a side entry door with integrated lighting, and beautifully flush windows that enhance both looks and insulation. Underneath, you'll find dual rear wheels, a powerful diesel engine that can handle long-distance drives, and a perfectly balanced frame, ensuring smooth rides whether you're crossing desert highways or winding through mountain roads. Now, step inside, and instantly, the outside world fades away. The first thing you notice? Space. Lots of it. Rapido's European design language shines here. Every surface feels intentional, every curve carefully placed. The living area greets you with warm ambient lighting, soft-touch leather seating, and a modern color palette, mixing beige tones, brushed aluminum, and rich wood finishes. The front captain chairs swivel to face the lounge area, creating an open social space. There's a large dining table that slides and rotates, perfect for meals, laptop work, or evening card games. And thanks to the large skylight above, natural light floods the cabin during the day, giving the entire motorhome a bright, airy atmosphere. At night, dimmable LED strips set the perfect cozy mood. The insulation and soundproofing are top-notch. You could be parked by a busy highway and still feel like you're in a private suite. Moving to the kitchen, you'll find one of the most intelligently designed compact cooking spaces in the RV world. A 3-burner gas cooktop, stainless steel sink with a high-arc faucet, and a full-size refrigerator make meal prep feel effortless. There's even a built-in oven and microwave combo tucked neatly into the cabinetry. Storage is impressive too. Rapido uses soft-close drawers and deep cabinets with built-in organizers, so everything has its place. The countertops are solid surface and scratch-resistant, perfect for daily use. And because of the Mercedes-Benz Foundation, the motorhome comes equipped with advanced electrical systems, USB-C outlets, and a fully integrated touchscreen control panel, allowing you to manage lighting, temperature, and battery systems with a single touch. It's modern, efficient, and surprisingly homely. Now, moving to the rear, this is where comfort really takes center stage. The Rapido 996M features a queen-size island bed that slides to create more walking space when not in use. The mattress quality rivals high-end hotels, and the entire area feels calm, private, and beautifully designed. Overhead cabinets provide ample storage, while large side windows bring in light and natural scenery. For nighttime privacy, motorized blinds and blackout curtains seal you into your own cozy retreat. You'll also find dual climate zones, so both driver's cabin and sleeping area can be set to individual comfort levels. This is where you end your day, warm, peaceful, and surrounded by refined details that remind you why Rapido is considered one of Europe's finest motorhome brands. And here's the star of the show, the bathroom. Rapido's 996M doesn't just include a bathroom. It's designed like a mini luxury spa. You've got a separate full-size shower cabin with glass doors, chrome fixtures, and adjustable water pressure. The ambient lighting makes the space glow softly, while anti-fog mirrors and elegant countertop sinks complete the experience. But what truly stands out is the layout. The toilet and sink area can be partitioned with sliding doors, giving you full privacy. It feels incredibly spacious for a motorhome of this size. Whether it's a quick morning routine or a relaxing evening shower after a long hike, this bathroom transforms a simple necessity into a comfort ritual. Under the hood, the 2026 Rapido 996M runs on Mercedes' 2.0-liter turbo diesel engine, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. It delivers smooth acceleration, excellent torque for hills, and an average of up to 20 miles per gallon, which is impressive for a vehicle of this class. The driving cabin feels like a Mercedes SUV, digital dash, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and even a 360-degree camera system for easier parking. You can literally drive this massive motorhome with the comfort of a luxury sedan. At the end of the day, the Rapido 996M isn't just about specs, it's about freedom. It's about waking up somewhere new every morning, with the same level of comfort you'd expect from a 5-star hotel. Whether you're chasing sunsets along the California coast or exploring national parks, this luxury motorhome is your invitation to slow down, breathe, and enjoy the journey. Because true luxury isn't just where you stay, it's how you travel. So, what do you think of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Rapido 996M? Would you take this luxury RV across the country, or maybe through Europe's scenic routes? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this tour, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because more luxury RV tours are on the way. Until next time, travel smart, stay inspired, and keep exploring.